Hi friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about my puppet. This is a puppet, and a puppet is a fidget toy. These puppets come in different colors and shapes. So I sometimes use a puppet to do additions and subtraction, and it helps us do counting. Some people use it as a stress buster. Let me show you how I do additions and subtractions. This is the rainbow puppet, and let's do 8 plus 5. Press 8 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And press 5 more buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip it over and count all the buttons together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. This is how we do additions using puppet. Now let's look at subtraction. I'm going to do 8 minus 5. Take the first number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And take 5 out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it equals 3. I also sometimes use it for skip counting. I am going to do skip counting by ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. I hope you like my puppet toy. If you are using it for anything else, please let me know. If you like my videos, please subscribe on Kavi and Friends. Thank you.